After you've gone through all the work of setting the view properties to create just the desired visual effect, you may decide that you'd like to leverage your work and apply the same group of view properties to other views in your project. To do that, view templates are available that allow you to store groups of view properties and overrides, capturing all or some of the view properties and settings to create that desired visual effect, and then easily applying these settings to your other views. Now, you'll have a choice of how the view template will actually affect the other views and the future editing capabilities. If you apply the settings in a view template, what you'll do is apply those properties now, but you'll still be allowed to make changes later in the process. On the other hand, if you assign a view template to a view, you'll actually be locking the view properties to the settings in the view template, and it'll be a bit difficult to change those settings later. Now, this is sometimes useful because you'd like to have uniform view properties across all of your views, but may not be so useful if you're continuing to edit and change your project. So we'll show you how you can go through and temporarily relieve that restriction. Let's start by creating a view template for the properties of a view that you've created. Start by adjusting the view properties of a view to create just the desired visual effect, and then you can open the Create View Template from Current View tool. You'll find it under the View tab in the Graphics section. View Templates is actually a menu that pulls down, and you can choose Create View Template from Current View. You'll be asked to name the new template, and then you can edit and choose the properties to include in this view template. You can turn individual properties on or off by adjusting the Include checkbox on one of the different parameter lines. So for example, if you'd like the detail level to be medium in this view template, turn that on. If that's not important and you'd rather have the detail level set to whatever it was originally set for the view, turn that off, and that setting won't be carried as part of the view template. You can also choose or edit specific properties before saving the template. So if there's anything that you'd like to change about the properties displayed in this window, this is your chance to change them before you save the view template away to be used later. Next, let's look at how you can apply a view template that you've already created. Let's start by switching to another view in your project. Then we'll open the Apply Template Properties to Current View tool. You'll find it under that View tab in the Graphics section. Under View Templates, the menu, you can choose Apply Template Properties to Current View. The Apply View Template dialog will open, and you can choose one of the saved templates for this view type. That list will change a little bit based upon the current view that you're trying to apply the template to. You can filter through different view types by pulling down the View Type Filter menu. After you've chosen one of the existing view templates, you can still adjust the settings that you'd like to apply to this new view, maybe turning off or turning on one of the different include settings or editing one of the settings that's available here in the view properties. And then when you're done, click Apply Properties or OK to apply these settings to the new view. Now, a shortcut for this is that you can actually just right-click on a view in the project browser, and there you'll be able to choose Apply Template Properties from the contextual menu. When you apply a view template to a view, you apply these settings to the view now, but you still have the option of changing the view properties later. On the other hand, if you'd like to assign a view template to a view and lock the properties so they cannot be easily changed, switch to that view, and then click the View Template button in the View Properties. You'll see in this example it's currently set to None. If you click that, the Assign View Template dialog will open, and you can choose one of the saved templates for this view type, and then click OK. And when you click OK after you've assigned a view template, the view properties are now locked to the view template settings. So you won't be able to accidentally change those view properties. And if you'd like to change them temporarily, you'll need to do something special. Now, you can completely remove a view template from a view to completely remove the restrictions, or you can choose to temporarily suspend the view template to allow you to adjust the view properties as you do some editing. If you'd like to just temporarily suspend the view template, but still keep it around for later, you can open the Temporary View Properties control that appears at the bottom of the drawing area. And in the menu that appears, you can choose Enable Temporary View Properties. While the special mode is turned on, you can edit the view properties as you'd like. to make your editing of the project a little bit easier. But then when you turn that back off, the view template settings will again apply to the view.